All right, what is up? You're here a few minutes early today, so that is good as always. Just rearrange some stuff on the page here and make sure. All right, that's probably the best I can do. So, got some music going today, which honestly I listen to quite a bit. So, just hey, yeah, let's do it, man. Nice to have you along. I feel like I should like warm up my fingers or something. Like I'm not really sure what to do and I'm kind of waiting around. So this one still work? This is yesterday's. I worked on it a bit today just to mess around with stuff since it was so it's very fast yesterday. So oh geez. I have some like extra flags in here because I was trying to benchmark stuff. It turns out you cannot get so the Kotlin JVM or whatever will optimize the code as it runs, and I was trying to get it to run fast on the first try, and it said no. It was like we'll be lackadaisical on the first go, but the second one very fast. So all right. Oh crap. Sorry. I did not mean to do that. That's actually not great. I accidentally queried the server. So yeah. Deleted that input though. We're on 7. Let's just get this out of the way. Let's see here. I just feel like we're always like lines dot split slash. This is like common thing, but I guess you don't need to do that. There's a better way to do that same workflow. So all right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna hit this now, and oh geez. Okay, this is the input. That's crazy. Okay, what is the puzzle though? Okay, you can hear birds chirping. The device reads this. You try to run a system update. No space left on drive. Perhaps you can delete some files. Browse head. This is the input. System contains tree of files and directories which can contain other directories and files. The outermost directory is called slash. You can navigate the file system. Within the terminal, output lines begin with our commands U executed. So it's these. CD means change directory. Okay, no, all this. Given the commands and the output in the example above, you can determine the file system looks like this. Let's just kind of, okay, change to root, list what's there. You get this. Okay, that's fine. Here, there are 4 directories. So the total directories. Sorry, since the disk is full, you should figure out how many directories are your cancellation. You need to determine the total size of each directory. The total size of the directory is the sum of the size of the files it contains, directly or indirectly. Total size of the directories can be found above. Okay. Does it say how big they are? Oh, it does here in the ls. Okay. So what is the sum of the total size? Oh, wait, sorry. To begin, find all directories with a total size of at most. Okay, and then calculate the sum of their sizes. The example of these directories are A and E, the sum of their sizes. So A and wait, what? About that most. Oh. Find all directories with a total size at most. Okay, these are all too big. Okay, fine. Yep. So let's grab this input. Okay. So So the first thing we need to do, we want to split these into CDs and LSs, right? So is the first input here CD? Okay, so we can just actually do lines.drop, and we're just going to drop the first line. And then let's see. You know what, actually? I have a command for this. This is amazing, I think. Maybe. Oh, there's dir and there's ls. Crud. Okay, this is a little bit harder. This is gonna take a while. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to split by, so I have this retain splitter true, and then I'm going to split by it dot starts with. So this is going to give me groupings that are like $, and then whatever the output is. So commands val, and if I commands dot for each print line it, let's see what this gives me. There's probably actually there's probably a pretty quick way to do this. I just am not I feel like you have to make the directory structure, but I could be wrong. Okay, so we got CD. Oh, let's run that again. Okay, so dir a oh, that didn't quite do what I thought it would. I'm gonna update this. This is actually gonna be this. I'm gonna put the retained item in the next list is what I wanted. Okay. Okay. That gives me what I want. And then let's do something like this. Let's just make a map, I think. So val map equals mutable buff, and we're gonna go string to how do we make this structure? Folder? I don't know, dude. Oh no. What am I doing here? So string to okay, let's do var current dir equals and we're just gonna be at slash. So we actually don't need to drop this at all. Right, so for C in commands. Okay. So we know that the first thing in the commands is the let me see. It should be a list of lists, right? Crap, this is just a list string. Oh gosh. I'm not totally sure that this works how I thought it did. That's bad too, because I made this. Okay. Let's just do this. Alright. Let's see, start. Oop, that's Python. Command. I'm not even sure what I'm printing anymore. This is bad. Okay, they're comma separated. Oh no, this is a list. Yeah, okay. What the heck? I'm so confused. Okay, so the first one is if C0 dot starts with, I think they all have to start with the $sign. They do. Okay. C0. Let's actually see. Val C's equals C0 dot split on space if C1. Okay, here we go. So listing stuff else if C1 equals CD, then we'll just do I'm not sure that this is actually what I want, but this should actually probably be, let's make this a list actually. Mutable list of string. Okay, because now what we can do is we can do current dir dot add C2. Oh, I don't need that. Else, and then what's the other thing? Is that it? Okay. Actually, if C2 equals dot dot, that's going up a directory. Okay. Current dir dot remove last. Okay. And then I'm just gonna do print line. So what do we do here? We have var map equals mutable. I was like legit concerned that today was going to be hard, and it definitely is. Size. Actually, I'm going to do this as a pair, so it's going to be long. That'll be the long is the size, and then it's going to be list of string, and those will be the subdirectories. So this is just dropping the file names because I don't think we need them. So okay, so what we're then going to do is val size is c dot. Oh, this actually needs to be c's. This is bad. This is why I don't name stuff like this. This is stupid. C dot drop 1. So that drops the command, and then we'll do filter it dot starts with dir. Oop. So one of these will be not starts with, right? This is going to be dirs, and this is going to be map, and we're just going to filter out the dir, so it dot remove prefix dir space, and this is going to be map it dot split on the space, and then we're just gonna get the first part of that, and we're gonna do to int. And then we'll sum these up, and then we're going to do map this map dot, and we're going to add whatever directory we're in right now. So current dir dot last, and we're going to assign that to I think you can do size to dirs is kind of weird. Oh, does that not work? I thought it did. Pair size dirs. Did not want this. Oh. That's fine. I can just make this an int, hopefully. Okay. App dot items, maybe. What? Map dot. I thought it was items, values. Get, oh gosh, guys. Okay. I guess what I want to do here is, I'm actually somewhat confused about the input. It says sum says a, let's see, post size of directory is whatever contains a single file. I don't know. I don't know, guys. Hold on a sec. Okay, let's figure this out. Yeah, I'll be right back. Nope. Yeah. Sorry, I didn't have the music going there. Alright, so let's figure this out. So I need to loop through key value for all the items in map. Couldn't, and then, so we're gonna do var indirect size. Yeah, thanks. Welcome back. I'm bad at pausing streams, sorry about that. So indirect size is the value dot first, so that's actually the direct size. And then what we want to do is do value dot second. Remember, this is all the this is all of the a colon. Like subdirectories. This actually probably was a depth first traversal, but I'm not doing that. Maybe I am doing that. Maybe I should be doing that here. I'm assuming it's acyclical though. Okay. So var. So actually, we're gonna call this direct size indirect size equals get indirect, and I'm just gonna pass it the map and the name of. Well, actually, let's just try to do this in line first. Dot second. Shoot. This is actually kind of annoying. Because this whole thing, yeah, I mean, this is recursive, so we just need to get size, and it's going to take a map, m, map, whatever I pass in, actually. So here, this is what I'm going to do. Value sorry, val size equals get size key map. This is what I actually need. So this can be keys. The reason that I have to do this recursively is that that I'm gonna have to call back into it. So create function. Yeah, this is fine. It's gonna return an int, maybe a long. This is okay. I'm definitely gonna run into an issue here with ints and longs. So okay, val direct size equals map. We're gonna get the key. Actually, we're just gonna call this val entry. Val direct size equals entry dot first, and then val indirect size equals we're just entry second dot map, and we're going to map this to get size of that directory, and you pass the map, so this just is going to go down the tree. So that's pretty sweet. Why is this complaining? Oh, yeah. It wants me to make sure that this thing's actually in the map, which it has to be, right? So then plus indirect size. Okay. So that's it. So now we're gonna have this val total sizes equals mutable map of string and int. Okay, and then we'll just do total sizes key, and that's gonna be size. Gosh, this took me way too freaking long. Okay, and then total sizes dot values. So we're supposed to actually, yeah, we do want to filter. I already forget what we're supposed to be filtering on. Took too much time off. Total size, let's see. At most this, so less than or equal to, we'll just copy it. Okay. Oh, we need a sum there. That's just a unit. Do it? No. Oh, God. Out of bounds. No. Oh my gosh, out of bounds way up here, too. What the heck? Okay. I just have an empty. That's weird. Okay. We'll just make sure the list isn't empty. It doesn't work. Gosh damn it. Index 2. Oh, and that's the same thing. What you gotta do CS. Live debugging for can't do a number for input. Oh, and then I switched those. Okay, so this is the test, is that it? 95, 437. It is. Okay, so we should be able to run this. Oh my gosh, that took forever. All right. Tabbed the wrong thing. Dang it. Oh no. Okay. What am I doing wrong here? So it says you guessed this, so I'm gonna put this down. This is not going ideally. So let's see. Let's just confirm that I did this correctly. Okay, so all of those inputs, that's good. Don't actually need to be printing all these. I'm not really sure where I'm doing it here. Oh, dang it, guys. This was the right one, though, right? 9. Okay, back. Where is it? Some of them is this. So I can put this here. I think that's right, though. Crap. Okay. You know what the issue is? Actually, it's exactly what I said before. It's the fact that these are ints, dude. So, so this is like a common thing that I just frickin' forget happens all the time. That they intentionally overflow. Map is this, and this return. Damn it! Stop it. Okay. Oh my gosh. I should have frickin' like started with the long. I said I should do it, and then I didn't do it. Oh, that's fine. Come on, are you serious? Okay. So now I expect like a much bigger number. Crap. It's not. That was not the issue. Oh no. Okay. Am I... like totally screwing up the input, or what am I doing wrong? So I just have filter. Why is this dropping 1? I think this is the command. Shoot. There's gotta be something very, like, subtle that I'm missing here. Because it, like, the passes the test input, but doesn't pass this, right? This is what I put in last time. Okay. I'm assuming that it like can't ls the same thing twice, because if you did, you would get the same thing out. Let's go back to the input and just, I like skimmed it pretty quickly, so MS directory is this. Directory has total size. Contains. Yeah, I mean, this feels, so E should have I, yeah. Oh gosh, okay, I'm not even sure how I'm supposed to debug this. Maybe just, huh. Okay, there's got to be something. I must not be tracking this correctly, right? So I don't know. Yeah, this doesn't seem like it's gonna be fun, honestly. Feels like I'm probably just gonna be missing something very subtly bad. Okay, so this should be the number of directories. So, and it should match like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Maybe this doesn't work how like I think it should. It should give me the first thing, sum. Damn it. I just keep going over the same stuff. This is bad. So what's the biggest difference between this input and what I'm trying to do? Maybe maybe I'll just output the size of each directory, maybe? Yeah, let's just check that. Because if it's wrong, then I should have like a pretty clear... So let's do... I think these are correct. The final directories with the total size. Then calculate the sum of all of their total sizes. Yeah, it counts files more than once. Find all the directories with a total size of at most 1,000. What is the sum? What are the size of all those directories? Okay. I don't know. Let's try other map, and let's just try a different approach. So we're gonna do string, and then what I'm actually gonna do is I'm going to do I'm just gonna keep track of the total size of each of these anyways. So this is gonna be string long, and then what I'm gonna do is when I ls here, instead of, I mean, in addition to whatever this is doing, right? I'm just gonna take the size that I get, and I'm gonna add it to everything that's in the list, in this current directory kind of path, right? So current dir, because it's a thing, so I'm going to go through each one, and I'm going to say, actually, sorry, so first I'm going to do total size. This is going to work. This doesn't work. This doesn't work at all, actually, because oh no, this works because because you have to cd into a directory. So as soon as you cd into the directory, like right here, I'm just going to add something into total size dot put, and I'm going to put that directory, and I'm going to do equals 0. We shouldn't go into the same one twice, probably. So what I can do instead is I can do get or put, and then I can do this. So that will just put the value in there if there's not one there. Okay, and now here we go. So now what I can do is I can go in here. I can say for each thing in total, for each current directory, let's get the size, and then I want to add the size of this directory. It doesn't want me to do that. Operator call corresponds to, yeah. Okay, I'll do this. Plus total size. I'm sure there's a better way to do this, but okay. And now when I should be able to do this. Oop. I will have a total size and a total sizes. That's a disaster. Var result 2 equals. And And then I'm going to go through the values, same thing, dot sum, okay, let's print these out. They're going to be the same, which would tell me that the issues in my parsing code, but not conform to type. Oh, okay, that's fine. It wants me to do this. Same thing, get, or if it's not there, then put this one. That is curious. That is a different number. These are the same. This is different. Okay. There must be like a bug in my somewhere in my code, obviously. This kind of sucks actually, because now I have like, well, hopefully I can build this into something else. Crap, that's wrong too. Oh my god. What the heck? Okay. It said at most. These will be the same, right? If I run this with the different... Yeah, so less than or equal, less than, doesn't matter. Okay. This is a disaster. Like... What the hell? I'm getting the right answer on the sample input, but not on the test input. And how these two are different, I have no freaking idea. Because they should be the same. This is crazy. I have no frickin' idea. Yeah, I don't know. This is not good. I'm legit not sure if I'm gonna be able to finish this tonight then. Alright, let's keep trying. So okay, so like kind of doing a little bit here. So let's just check this maybe. I don't know, there's so much information here though, this is like very hard to debug. Like I don't know how I would do this really. Yeah, I'm like so confused about why these are different sizes actually, so. I guess what I could do is I could go and I could do that. Shoot, I'm so confused. I'm like not even sure if this is an issue in parsing it or in like I don't know if this is an issue in parsing or in computing it. So it's just freaking hard. Okay, you know what I didn't do is I didn't actually check to see if. So let's print line map.keys. In previous years, they'd like tell you if you're too high or too low, you know, which was like super freaking helpful. But this must be the keys. This is an R. Yeah. Okay. Dot size. That's what I really wanted. So it should be this. So if I do dir space. Oh, what the hell? What the hell? Oh, guys, I think. Hold on a sec. Hold on a sec. Oop. Are there directories that are listed here twice? Did I just assume there aren't, but there are? 188. Oh my god, there are directories that are not. I'm getting something's getting overwritten, dude. Are you serious? No. No, because this I can't. Okay. So this thing, this is a lie, I think. So let's see. If map dot current dir dot last. Let's do dot. If this is true, this is like kind of messed up. Yeah. That's my message if it's trying to keep this clean, but okay, that's not what's happening. I don't get it though. Okay. So somehow maybe they're just directories that we'd never CD to? I guess that's fine, but let's do all known dirs equals equal set. I don't know, dude. Something weird is happening here, though. And all. Oh. String. maybe I just have some weird parsing. This is not going great. Add all unders. Numbers. All right. Crap, dude. I cannot believe this. Okay, yeah, so my parsing is just straight up wrong. Because when I look at the file, it says 100 and 100 and whatever results. So like this one's in here. Which one? What is like breaking my? Okay, so this is what we know. There's known ders. Here is 100 and or 148. But in input, we know that there's more. Right, I just... Okay, so let's maybe the issue is in commands? I don't know. We're just getting all over here. Oop. Commands dot size. This is bad. We're literally just printing frickin' all over the place. Did I... Is that the right number? 164. Okay, that's correct. What is wrong with this then? It's like starts with dir. I think this will break, but I guess yeah. So that since I think we need to drop at least one here, right? Okay, so I guess maybe on this I'll just do it.split space and then get the other one. I don't know, dude, I'm just flailing about here. This is not great. Oop. Okay. This is just crazy. Like, what the heck? I feel like I could have done this faster without... Maybe I don't actually have that many directories. Like, maybe there are directories that start with dir in the name. Like, I feel like I'm dropping stuff though, right? But the commands... Is there some command that I'm just not handling? Like, okay, it's like if it's ls, right? Var command equals. I mean, this doesn't matter, but I'll just do it anyways. Yeah, I'm sure that when I get to the end of this, I'm gonna be so mad. Like, it's gonna be something so stupid that I'm just not picking up on. CD, CDX. God. Oh my god, that's... Okay, no, there's only one in there. That's fine. The directory is containing ABC means current directory. Name this. Okay. I was like, maybe something happens here. No. So all the commands are either CD or ls, right? And then if it is mutable list. Again, I don't think this matters, but I'll check. Like, we can check if there's duplicates here, right? By doing this. Oh my god, there are duplicates. What the actual hell, dude? I'm so confused. Yeah. I'm so confused. I think but I ran the code the other way and it didn't. Yeah, okay. There are duplicate directories. Or directories that are named the same thing. That's so frustrating. Okay. Okay. The issue is that oh my gosh. Okay. Sorry, I'll get over this in a sec. Path equals. So call this actually current path. Of course, you can have folders named the same thing. Why did nobody say something? Okay, join to string, and we're gonna separate them the good old slash like that, and then these dirs. So we're creating absolute paths now. Map plus it. Okay. That's fine. Okay. So, is this really... okay, so this should give us the absolute. Okay, and then when we do get so this map is oh gosh, guys. Okay. Let's do map dot keys dot for each print line. Okay. That was like I said, it is gonna turn out to be something stupid and okay. So this actually that whole total size thing kind of almost works, but I guess not. Okay, and then this doesn't work because we actually need the path. Okay. So slash. Yeah, this is a little bit confusing. Because slash. I'm just gonna I'm just going to replace slash with slash. If we have a slash, let's just keep it a slash. KAE whatever. This is sweet. Alright, we're making some progress. Glad we have some chill music. AE, that doesn't work. That doesn't work because this has the right structure. This has the right structure, so it's just whatever. Oh, it's this, right? So this has to be key slash like that. All right, we are on the precipice here. Nope, that's not right. We'll just do the same thing. So this key is actually the path. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna map these. Yeah, I'm actually confused there. It should be path. Oh, no, because this is... Yeah, what? Okay, this is gonna be the same error that I just had, but that's fine. I don't know why I'm getting a bunch of slashes like that. It must be /a. But then if I Okay. This needs to be the same. Gosh. Okay. Yep. And then we have that same like weird concatenation. But I guess if we're doing it later, we can do it there too. They don't actually have to be as long as they're the same, it doesn't matter. Yep, so now we got double slashes. Isn't this... This is not what I put in before. This looks too similar to what I have. It is. What the hell, dude? How can I frickin' do... Like, I don't get it. Yeah. You know what, though? Is this one the one I was getting before? No, no. This one's not. This is it. This is it. This is it. This is the problem with having, like, two frickin' guesses. Yes. Oh my gosh. An hour and 4 minutes later, you're still here? I have a viewer. Oh my god. Should have abandoned me long ago. Okay, this is terrible. Yeah, I need to take out some stuff here. So take out the one that doesn't work, which is this. And then result 1 is where it should have been the whole time. Oh my gosh. I legit cannot believe that. Okay. No total space available is this. God. Hold on a sec. Okay, so what is this? Total space is this. You run the update. You need unused space of at least this. You need to find a directory you can delete that will free up enough space to run the update. In the web example, the total size is whatever. To achieve this, you have the following options. A and E are both too small. Deleting them would not free up enough space. However, directories blah 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 are both big enough. Between them, choose the smallest. So you want to choose... Okay. Okay. So I just take all this, same thing. I'm gonna take it here. Okay. I'm gonna uncomment these because I'm... whatever. So now what I want to do is I want to filter ones that are greater than, greater than this, greater than or equal to this, and dot min. What's the choose the smallest. What is the total size of that directory? Okay, didn't like that. So let's see. Because of course it's not that easy. What did I? Yeah, I know it's a roller coaster. It says you need unused space of at least this. I'm so confused. In the above example, the total size of the outermost directory, and this means the size of unused space is this. Oh, okay. So I just do val total disk equals yeah, this total sizes is good. The total size is the bad one, right? So that's good. And then we're gonna do val free up equals free space minus long, and then delete needed equal. What's the issue here? Oh. Stupid null safety, dude. Nobody cares. Okay. Oop. Okay. So 24, is that the right one? Yeah, 24,942 it is. Oh gosh. Okay, so directories aren't unique, obviously. That was a freaking roller coaster indeed, dude. Oh my gosh. Okay, that was a disaster. That was... There's no way that can be considered good. That was very bad. So... I mean, the shortest people took 14 minutes, but I don't know, just an hour and 10 minutes. That seems not good. Yeah. You know, the frustrating thing too is I noticed that something wasn't adding up. Oh my gosh. Well, thanks for sticking with it the whole time. I hope the delay and the jams weren't too much, but like, oh my gosh, what a wreck. That happens though. That's all right. So that's day 7. First week is complete. I was thinking I might actually do like a little like I might speed run or go back through these just to get some practice or kind of talk about them. But looking at this one, like what tripped us up, right? So we kind of started out on the right foot with this split and this list. We kind of realized that we need a list early on to keep track of stuff. We go through each command, and the commands are the ones with the $sign, and then whatever comes after them. All this went fine, you know, like list stuff. This is where we got into trouble though, is we weren't keeping absolute paths. We were just keeping like a single map, like a single reference. The other way we could have done this is actually just do it from the top down as a tree, and maybe I'll try that later, where we like actually just hold the root reference, and then each of these, excuse me, is like a link to the next node. The benefit of that was we would not have gotten tripped up by this path, but you know, hindsight's what it is. It's a little bit confusing, frustrating, I don't know, because maybe I checked it in this total size. Like at some point I said, hey, what if I just what if I keep track of it a different way? I don't know. I'll have to go back over the VOD honestly and see like how close I was at times, because this part seems not that bad actually. Like, oh, but again, here I was just doing the one folder. I wasn't doing the full chain. So I wonder if instead of doing this thing, if I actually do you know, like if instead of just doing this folder, if I actually do current path dot join a string and we use this as a separator, I like almost bet this will work, right? Oh, it's the same thing right here. So, oh, this is actually a little bit tricky because you have to go in and add it for each, like you have to reconstruct the path. Huh. Yeah, this way kind of sucks. But whatever, we got it. It's done. Day 7 in the books. Thanks for hanging out again. And yeah, man, the encouragement was very helpful because there were them's be quitting times. Well, time to get to bed. But thanks for hanging out, and I will catch you next time. See if I can figure out how to stop this. Oh my gosh. See ya.